The following segment is sponsored by Parris RV. I am here at Parris RV talking with Brett. This is one of our favorite places to come and hang out. We're standing in front of the Conquest. Brett, this is pretty cool. Tell us about it.
Yeah, this is a super awesome, small, little compact Class C motorhome. It's a 2021. It's made by Gulfstream. The brand is a Conquest, and the model is a 6237 LE. And the big thing with this is it's just simply made to be super easy to drive, go down the road with ease, take your family out and go camping in style.
Okay, how many people can we fit in this? How many people is this going to sleep?
Yeah, this sleeps 6. So you've got a queen bed in the back corner, and then you've got a queen bed above the cab, and then you've got a dinette that'll fold down for, 2 kids or maybe newlyweds.
Maybe newlyweds. Okay, who is this perfect for? A large family that wants to hit the road with Labor Day coming up? It's a perfect time.
Yeah, I think it's really perfect for anybody, but the really nice thing, its size, it's not that much bigger than like a full-size pickup truck, and so you could whip in and out of our fabulous state parks. You could go to our national parks. There's lots of places here in Utah to obviously go and explore, but you can pull in and park it in a regular spot. Unlike a lot of big RVs, you can't do that. This one you can take back and forth to the grocery store if you need to.
And you're saying you can still tow things on it, right? So what kind of items are we talking about?
Yeah, a lot of times you want to take toys with your toys, right?
Yes.
And so you can put, maybe you can tow like ATVs behind it, UTVs, a boat, horse trailer, about anything you can think of. It's got a hitch, wiring, everything you need to take something behind it and go down the road in style.
Amazing. And what's also so cool about you guys is you have service shops. So if something goes wrong, you guys can take care of it.
Yeah, Parris RV has 26 service bays with 4 different service buildings in Murray, Utah, plus a body shop and 2 parts superstores that have, today we've got over $600,000 worth of parts on the ground. So we got a lot of parts. And this little motorhome, it has other things too, like it has an Onan generator on board. It's got roof air conditioning. It's got a power awning, really everything, a full kitchen, fully self-contained, everything you need to go dry camping or pull into a campground, it's got.
Would this be something that would be good for maybe someone new that hasn't driven an RV, something easy to control?
I think it'd be good for that person, but it really even somebody who's just tired of being something big. I mean, it's nice that you can just pull it into your driveway. It's easy to drive. And the nice thing about something like this is the vacation starts when you leave the driveway,
yes,
not when you park, and set up. I mean, part of the experience is heading down the road with your family.
Well, and there's a great little area where you can hang out with the kids, play games, cook a little bit. There's a full kitchen. You really don't need much more.
Yeah, super easy. You could pull over, use the microwave, cook some sandwiches, or something. Kids can play games going down the road, buckle into the dinette, and you can watch TV, really everything while you're going down the road, which is really handy and make your trip a lot more enjoyable.
Making those memories. Okay, where can we find you guys, Brett?
Yeah, Parris RV has 2 great Murray locations, but this one's at our north location, which is 4360 South State, or a great way to shop is online at parrisrv.com.
Perfect. Brett, thanks for having us out.
Thank you.